Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. Today we are grilling some sardines. Okay, it is so delicious and very easy to do. You can have it with anything that you prefer. I love it with kenke. Okay, so guys, let's get started. If you're new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. Right, so for the spices, I have some onions, some ginger, garlic, and have some Scotch bonnet because I want it to be spicy. And I have some spring onions, have some thyme, some cloves, some grains of selim. I'll put all of them in the description box. So I'm going to put these in the blender, blend them together nicely. And yes, this is what I have. I add some salt to taste. And also I'm going to add a bit of rapeseed oil. Okay, you can add any oil of your choice, and then I'm going to add it to my sardines. Yeah guys, so this is the sardines, nicely washed, and I've taken all the bits out and washed it nicely. I'm going to add the marinade. You can allow it to sit for about a couple of hours, okay, so that the marinade will really go into the fish, or it can be 24 hours as I did it for mine. And I allow it to start nicely, and I tell you, you are going to love this recipe. It tastes amazing. So guys, I've arranged my fish on my rack. Now I'm going to put that into the oven at 180 degrees. Okay, and then this is how it looks like. I'm turning it. All right. And I tell you, it smells good and it tastes good. You have to try it with any fish at all. And I tell you, you are going to love it. So it is all done. You can have this with any food of your choice. I had mine with kenke. If you're in Ghanaian, you know what kenke is. You can have it with any swallow of your choice with some tomato sauce and some shito, and it tastes so good. So if you like this recipe, give me a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel, and do put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Don't forget to share. Bye.